Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change our battery icon in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To change how our battery is displayed, we have to go to the settings menu, then we have to scroll down, and here we have battery option. Here we're scrolling down again, and here we have show battery percentage. If you want to hide percentage, just tap it once and we have it hidden, only little icon here. It's a little cleaner. To turn it back, simply tap it again and our percentage is shown back again. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.